Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I made these beautiful glamorous wall decorations using some Dollar Tree frames. So you will need 2 of those long frames from the Dollar Tree, and you will need 4 of the mirrored square coasters, 2 bags of these gems here, some glue, permanent and hot glue. And yeah, pretty much that's going to be it. Oh, you're going to also need some bling wrap. And I'm going to use the square bling wrap that you can find at AC More Craft Store. So the first thing you want to do is remove all of the insides of the frame, the glass and the paper, all of that stuff that comes with you. You want to remove all of it. Then you want to take the permanent glue and apply some to the inner edges on the back side of there and follow up with some hot glue. Then you want to replace your frame just like so. Alright ladies, so now you can reinsert your glass panel into the frame, and just for added security, go ahead and add one more round of just the hot glue to the back portion of the frame, and make sure you stay as close to the edge as possible so that the glue doesn't peek out from the other side. Now once you have all of that done, we're going to take our square mirrors and we're going to add glue to 3 points of the frame, well, of the coasters or the mirrored squares. Goodness, what am I talking about? But anyway, we're going to add glue, hot glue and permanent glue to all 3 points that are going to have contact with the frame. Now the point that doesn't have contact with the frame should be the one that is in the middle of the glass. You do not need to add glue to this end because we don't really need it pretty much. And not only that, that end does not touch any glass at all. It's kind of like freestanding. So yeah, so make sure you do the same thing to the bottom square as well. And once you have all of that down, give it a few minutes to dry before you start working on the next step. Now I've let mine dry and I'm moving on to the next step. And what I did was took some of this square ribbon, which I got from Michael's craft store. Not Michael's, I got it from actually AC More Craft Store. AC More Craft Store is where I got this square rhinestone. And I'm going to add it to the outer perimeter of my frame. Now you guys, this is totally optional. You can skip this step if you like. You don't have to do this. I just did it because I wanted to make sure that it was very glam. And I know that I can achieve that by using any type of bling wrap. So I'm going to adhere it using a little bit of permanent glue and some hot glue. So very simple. And I just cut it and I'm going to apply it all the way around. Now that I have it all figured out, everything is down around the perimeter. It is so cute, you guys. I love the way that it looks. So if you do have time to do that, then be sure to do it. Now we're going to take 1 bag of acrylic gems from the Dollar Tree and we're just going to apply them to the top section around the perimeter. And this is very simple and easy. This is what it looks like so far, and you want to continue around the rest of the perimeter. And I'm going to do that now. Just apply some hot glue and drop the acrylic gems down. And if you apply them with a slight space between each other, then 1 bag will cover the entirety of this 1 frame. So that will leave you with needing about 1 bag per frame, depending on how many of these beautiful pieces you decide to make. Now these are some rhinestones that I got from the at-home store a while back. You can use any type of rhinestones that you want, but I'm just going to add a dollop of glue in the open section of the glass, and I'm just going to apply some rhinestones in there just to give it a little bit more of the glam factor that I love so very much. And then you guys won't see me on the camera apply a beautiful brooch from Totally Dazzled. I will leave my affiliate link in the description box, you guys, if you are interested in purchasing some beautiful embellishments or bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. Buying from my affiliate link does help the channel out and help me bring you more of these beautiful DIYs. So if you do purchase for them, use my affiliate link. I do appreciate it. So you guys, I am totally done. This is the end look of my beautiful and glamorous wall decor. I hope you guys enjoyed it and liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section. I always and will always appreciate your time, your support, and all of the kind comments that you guys leave. I really do appreciate that. Now, you guys, please remember to share this video, and yeah, thumbs it up and subscribe if you have not yet done so. I would love to have you as a part of the family here at Hannah Watkins DIY. Thank you guys so very much. I love you, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, and blessings. Bye bye.